Number 10, the Lectric XP4 is an electric bike designed to combine power, portability, and everyday convenience, making it a popular choice for riders who want versatility without compromise. Built with a rugged yet foldable frame, it allows for easy storage and transport. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling, or heading out on an adventure, its powerful motor delivers smooth acceleration and reliable performance on various terrains, while the long-lasting battery ensures extended rides with confidence. The XP4 also offers multiple pedal assist levels and a throttle option, giving riders the freedom to choose between traditional pedaling and effortless electric power. Equipped with fat tires, it provides excellent stability, traction, and comfort, even on rough or uneven surfaces. Additional features like a comfortable saddle, integrated lighting for safety, and a rear rack for carrying essentials make it a highly functional and practical e-bike. With its blend of durability, portability, and modern features, the Lectric XP4 is built to deliver a fun, reliable, and adaptable riding experience for everyday life and beyond. Number 9. The Xyber Dremax is a commuter-style e-bike that skillfully blends power, range, and comfort in a sleek package. At its heart lies a robust 500W motor, with a peak output reaching around 852W, enabling spirited acceleration and sufficient torque for urban riding and moderate hills. The bike is powered by a 48V, 15Ah Samsung lithium battery, which gives it an extended range that can reach up to 65 miles, about 104 kilometers, in favorable conditions. Designed for versatility, the Dremax offers multiple ride modes ranging from full pedal assist to throttle only, giving riders control over their effort and energy use. It rolls on 27.5 x 2.4 all-terrain tires by Kenda, which deliver stability, grip, and traction across city streets, light trails, or uneven surfaces. The frame is constructed from aluminum, striking a balance between strength and weight, and the geometry is tailored for a comfortable upright posture. Additional features like integrated lighting systems, intuitive controls, and reliable components ensure that the Xyber Dremax is not just about raw performance, but is also a practical, user-friendly electric bike built for daily commuting and adventure alike. Number 8. The Lectric M5 is a versatile electric bike engineered to offer both performance and comfort for daily riders and weekend explorers alike. Powered by a mid-drive motor, it delivers smooth, responsive power that handles city streets, rolling hills, and moderate off-road terrain with ease. The integrated high-capacity lithium battery is seamlessly concealed within the downtube, providing a balanced look while offering generous range for longer rides without frequent recharging. The M5 supports multiple riding modes, from full pedal assist to throttle, giving users flexibility over how much effort they want to contribute. Its frame is built with lightweight yet durable aluminum, optimized for stability and agility, and the geometry promotes a comfortable upright riding position to reduce strain on the back and shoulders. The bike rides on robust tires that offer a good mix of grip and rolling efficiency across various surfaces, and its suspension fork absorbs bumps and vibrations for smoother handling. To top it off, it includes features like integrated lights for safety and low light, a clear display interface for managing speed and battery status, and a rack or mounting points for carrying essentials, making the Lectric M5 an appealing, all-round choice for those who want a dependable, well-equipped e-bike for everyday use. Number 7. The ebike Mars 3.0 is an ambitious, full-suspension folding electric bike that blends compact form, rugged functionality, and smart tech in one dynamic package. Beneath its sleek folding frame lies a powerful 750W continuous $1,400 peak hub motor paired with a torque sensor, giving the ride immediate responsiveness and natural feel as you pedal. Its integrated 624WH battery, neatly housed in the downtube, fuels a claimed range of up to 65 miles, while the foldable design allows you to collapse it in seconds for transport or storage. The Mars 3.0 features hydraulic disc brakes with robust rotors to ensure confident stopping power, and both front and rear suspension, via a hydraulic fork up front and a horsed link rear shock, smooth out rough terrain or bumpy pavements. Rolling on 20's X4 fat tires, it offers excellent traction, stability, and cushioning across a variety of surfaces. The cockpit is smart. A TFT color display supports NFC card unlocking or PIN access, and the ebike app lets you customize speed limits, throttle behavior, and assist levels. Add in built-in lights with turn signals, a rear rack, fenders, and a high payload capacity, up to 440 lbs, and the Mars 3.0 becomes a compelling all-rounder for riders seeking power, versatility, and portability in one electric bike. Number 6. The Aventon Adventure 3 is a fat-tire electric bike engineered to handle both urban streets and rugged trails with confidence, blending comfort, utility, and power into one versatile package. Its 4-inch wide tires, paired with a suspension fork and a suspension seat post, cushion the ride over rough terrain, making bumps and imperfections feel less jarring. The motor is a 750W nominal hub drive with a 1200W peak output, giving it enough torque to tackle hills or headwinds while keeping cruising speeds solid. The battery is integrated cleanly into the frame and supports a respectable range that lets riders go further between charges. Aventon has also added smart features like an ECU module with wired CAN communication, GPS support, and BLE Bluetooth connectivity for diagnostics and custom ride settings. For everyday practicality, the Aventure 3 comes equipped with full lighting, fenders, a cargo rack, and robust disc brakes, making it a dependable all-purpose electric bike that balances trail capability with commuter convenience. Number 5. The Xyber Trax 2.0 is a rugged, all-terrain electric bike built for adventurers who demand power, comfort, and capability, rolled into one dynamic machine. Its heart is a robust motor, often rated at 750W, with higher peaks, that delivers strong torque and rapid acceleration to conquer steep climbs or rough surfaces. The battery is a high-capacity 52V 20AA pack that's typically integrated well into the frame, offering long range so riders can venture further without worry. The Trax 2.0's suspension system is upgraded compared to earlier versions, with an air shock and optimized front suspension ensuring a smoother ride across bumps, dips, and uneven ground. Number 4. The Aventon Adventure M is a bold evolution in fat-tire electric bikes, marrying mid-drive performance with off-road capability and everyday utility for riders who want both power and versatility in a single machine. At the core of the Adventure M is Aventon's A100 mid-drive motor, which generates up to 100 Nm of torque, enabling the bike to surge confidently up steep inclines while offering more natural pedal feel and efficiency. It rides on wide 4.0-inch fat tires that provide exceptional grip, traction, and stability over loose terrain, snow, sand, or rugged trails. The geometry is designed to support a confident yet comfortable posture, aided by an 80mm suspension fork up front for absorbing bumps and smoothing out rough surfaces. To handle stopping demands, the Adventure M is equipped with SRAM DB4 hydraulic 4-piston disc brakes, ensuring reliable and powerful braking in varying conditions. Number 3. The Magician Alpha is an electric bike that blends sharp styling with strong performance, engineered to provide both daily rideability and spirited excursions. Beneath its streamlined frame lies a powerful hub motor that delivers smooth acceleration and ample torque for tackling hills and headwinds with confidence. The lithium battery is elegantly integrated into the down tube, preserving the bike's clean lines while offering sufficient range to cruise for extended distances. The Alpha supports multiple levels of pedal assist, as well as a throttle mode, giving riders full control over how much effort they want to contribute. Its frame geometry is designed to balance comfort and agility, enabling a natural riding posture that minimizes fatigue on longer journeys. Number 2. The Segway. Xyber is a futuristic high-performance electric bike that pushes the boundaries between e-bike and electric moto in a sleek, tech-infused package. It features a powerful motor system that can produce up to 6,000 W of peak power when used with dual batteries, delivering thrilling acceleration and torque for bold rides. The Xyber is equipped with a full suspension setup, offering around 110mm of dual-crown front suspension and 100mm of multi-stage rear suspension to smooth out rough terrain, absorb shocks, and keep traction under control, even on uneven surfaces. Its frame carries a design that supports rugged use while remaining visually striking, and it rides on fat 20EX 5.0 tires that balance stability, grip, and off-road competency. For long trips, the Xyber supports dual battery configurations, giving it an impressive maximum range, up to 112 miles in optimal conditions, when both batteries are used in tandem. It also includes advanced smart features like a TFT color display that adapts brightness and gives riders access to metrics, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. Number 1. The SpectrX is a head-turning electric bike designed to push the limits of speed, tech, and performance in one sleek, high-end machine. It's built around a carbon fiber frame that keeps weight down while maximizing structural strength, and complements its aggressive styling with futuristic appeal. Under the frame lies a high-capacity 1,260 Wh battery, giving it serious range potential to support ambitious rides without frequent recharging. The motor system is extraordinarily powerful, reportedly 6,000 W of peak output, letting the SpectrX reach speeds of up to 50 mph under ideal conditions, making it one of the fastest e-bikes available. The SpectrX also features a robust suspension setup with significant travel up front, and a responsive rear system to absorb rough terrain and retain rider control at high speeds. Stopping force is handled by ABS-enhanced hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring reliable deceleration even under intense loads. The design also integrates smart features. It's waterproofing, rated to IP6, safety certifications, including TÜV, and modular electronics point toward a bike that's engineered not just for performance, but for real-world usability and safety. With bold specs, advanced tech, and a dramatic presence, the Nerika SpectrX is built to deliver a thrilling ride that blurs the line between high-performance e-bike and electric moto.